kemppi wire feed problem. First inspection of the machine, obviously we've had to put our own wire in because the customer's not sent his wire, also no torches present, so we can't comment on them two things. So, but we have got a part roll of 1mm wire which will actually free spin inside the case. It will also free spin when the case is open. This will now be connected through to the wire feed. Feed rolls are obviously the V red for 1mm wire. The wire will start pulling through. As you can see on the button control, no problem on wire feeding. This will keep going until the roll's finished. Try a torch on it. Mark will now try the torch, just to prove there's no problems with the actual machine itself. This might help the operator to understand how the machine works. This is an old torch which he's just picked up, so hopefully the line is good in this. We'll see. Oh yeah, it is. So as you can see, the wire's just fed through the torch, no problems at all. Assuming these settings are what he's actually had it on himself, innit?
Should be, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just get some gas on it.
Just get some gas on the machine, then we'll try a weld. Gas now attached. The regulator is back on the back of the machine. Gas on. Gas on. they're the settings that are actually on the machine which was actually sent in. They're wrong, as you can see from when he was trying to weld. So we'll alter the settings. That's obviously how it should sound. Might get tweaked again a little. Fans come in, feeding. As you can see, the machine is just feeding, and it will continue doing this until the roll is empty. Nothing wrong with this machine whatsoever, apart from the settings. We can't comment on the torch because we've not seen the torch. Nice smooth wire feed. Even with the case down, just in case. Case is now down. Oh no, it's alright. I said case is down now. That's a video of the machine from receiving it to welding it. No faults on the machine whatsoever. We can only put this down to either the torch or user error with the controls. Thank you for looking.
Wire size.
Or wire size, which is 1mm diameter that we're using. V grooves on red feed rolls.